Hi friends, already we discussed about different charts like column charts, line charts, pie charts, donut charts and area charts. Like we discussed all the charts. But here in this we'll create a dynamic dashboard for presentation purpose and we'll do the data visualization by using pivot charts and pivot tables. So the dashboards are different types, but here we are taking all the charts into together and will create one single dashboard dynamically. Whenever we want, we'll update the data and we'll select whatever we want in this dashboard so that the visualization is very simple. Now for the dashboard, we'll do step by step. Now first of all, we'll select all the charts. First select any one chart, then press Ctrl, select other charts. Select one chart, select other charts, just click on edge on the line of the charts. So like this, I have selected all the charts in this sheet. Next, after this, if I am adding rows or column or else if you are doing any changes, I don't want to change the size of the chart. It can move, but don't want to change the size of the chart like height and width. So just right click on any chart line edge, then go to the size and properties. Then we got format shape task pane. Already we discussed in one video session. In the properties there are three options: move and size with cells. So by default this option was selected, move and size with cells, but I don't want to change the size of the chart. Move but don't size with the cells. See, we can move the chart from one place to another place, but I don't want to increase and decrease the size of the chart. Now I'm selecting this. Then close this task pane. See, for example, I don't want this pivot tables. Just select it, hide it, don't delete it. So just I'm selecting all the columns. Then you can do hide. Just right click, hide. Otherwise you can use Ctrl+0. See, all pivots are hidden, but still that pivot charts size are not changing because we selected a second option without changing the chart size. Now we'll do the formatting for this charts. First of all, I don't want these lines, just I want a plain sheet. Now go to the view, remove the grid lines in the show group. Look at the sheet. There are no lines. That grid lines are not visible. Now we'll place the charts in a order. Just I'm selecting and just drag the charts. Select this, place here. Select this, place here. Now I'm selecting this donut chart and I don't want this donut chart in this dashboard. Delete it. Now take this timeline. Just come down. Take this bar chart. Place the bar chart here, beside right side of the column chart. So I want a same size. Now come down and select that stacked area chart. Just drag it to the up. Just place this side and select this and increase the width of the chart. So I don't want this, just to close it. Now just come down, place this timeline here till this line. See, just I'm doing a presentation. I'm setting all the charts in a proper way. Now in this sheet For this dashboard, we'll insert another slicer. Select any one chart, go to Analyze the tab, insert a slicer. This time I'm selecting country. Okay. We'll get this another extra slicer. Place this. And now we'll increase the height of this. Second slicer also till the end. Now we'll connect this second slicer to all the charts. When I'm doing changes in the second slicer, I wanted to update all the charts. Now go to the options, go to report connections, select all the charts like revenue by year, title by genre and ratings, title by rating. So all the charts. Now, okay, if you are doing any changes in the country, automatically all the charts are going to update. Now, for this dashboard, we'll give some heading. Go to the Insert tab, select Illustrations, go to Shapes, select any one shape, then draw the shape. See here. Now, you can give any title for this dashboard. Just give some name for this. For example, movie data dashboard by Srinivas Reddy. Select it. Go to the home, align center. Next, if you want, you can increase the font size and style everything also. Now go to the format. You can do some changes. Otherwise, just right click. Format, shape. See here, fill, solid fill. You can select any one color. Next, this one also select it, bold. And if you want, you can do any formatting for that. Like shape outline, no outline. And shape fill also you can do any changes for that. So like this, we created that heading, title of the dashboard. Now I don't want all this like a title, a legend, all the things. Now go to the simply analyze, fill buttons, then hide all. See, after doing hide all, nothing will show here. Now here also this total also I don't want. Just I want a vertical axis. Next go to the design tab, add chart element, axis title, primary vertical. See here number of titles. Just I am giving number of titles. See if you want again just you can give any color for that. For example just we'll give some color for this. Bold like. Next here also same thing. Here we'll do the formatting for this bar chart. Select, delete all the things. Then here also for stacked area chart, we'll give the axis title. Go to design tab, add chart element, axis title, primary vertical. We'll change it here. Gross revenue. Next, this one also we'll do some modifications. Everything okay, but here you can observe there are number of digits are there. If there are more number of digits, we cannot display properly. So normal Excel users they cannot understand. Now just select this vertical axis, right click, format axis. So in the format axis we'll go for axis options, just come down completely. Now go to the number. So in the number there are many options again. See here instead of general I want to go for custom. Already there are number, currency, accounting, date, time, everything is there, but I want custom. So in the custom just we'll change the type, that is called formatting code. We'll type a format code to convert this into the billions now. First of all, $sign, then hash, comma, again hash 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 commas, then inside double quotes capital B, then add. So just after click on add button, see those becomes billions, like 0 billion, 2 billions, 4 billion, 6 billions. So it is very easy to understandable purpose and we can read very easily. And this time if you wanted to change into the millions, instead of 3 commas, go for 2 commas and you can give M in the place of B, and thousands you can give K here and only 1 comma after the 0. So like this just will change into the billions. Now we can read properly easily here. Now we'll set the alignment. Select all these three by pressing Ctrl. Now go to the format, align, align left. See, all are getting equal. Same here also. Select this all, go to the format, align, you can say distribute horizontally, align top. See that top and space between all just will get same equally. See here also, just you can increase and decrease according to the charts and shapes. Select this, see little bit. So according to the data, we'll do the modifications for this dashboard. See here, now we'll got almost a complete dashboard. Now this dashboard is a dynamic dashboard. Whenever you want, you can do the changes also. For example, this time just we'll select only GP. See, according to that, the data is going to change. You can do multiple selections also by pressing Ctrl. See, just clear filters. Otherwise, you can do multi selection and you can do clear filter also. So in that situation, we'll get all the data. If you are doing clear filter, you will get all the data. Then multi selection, you can select a few things only. So you will get further data only. So friends, like this you can create a complete dynamic dashboard. So this is the basic dashboard by using all common basic charts already discussed in the previous sessions. Like this we'll create the dashboards.